Guys, welcome to Bettye's Cooking Channel. Today I'm gonna prepare for you some good old hamburgers. I got all of the ingredients out based on what I'm gonna use for the hamburgers. I'm gonna use the Cajun seasoning on the burgers. So let me get started. I'm gonna start first toasting my hamburger buns, okay? This is the ground beef I'm using. All right. I'm gonna cook some air fryer French fries, okay? So let me get that in the oven, get the fries in the oven because this is gonna take a while, okay? All of the rest of the meal will come together pretty quickly. So let me get the French fries. Okay, according to the instructions on the bag, it's gonna take 12 to 18 minutes for the fries to get ready at 400 degrees. So I have a preheated oven going. So I will put the fries in the oven in a few minutes, okay? Okay, I'm toasting the buns here. I added just a little butter on one side of the pan there. And this one is mine. I didn't add any butter to my my bread. That's how you start. First with your buns, get them all toasted. You notice I've cut up everything. It's ready for the hamburgers. When they finish cooking, everything will be ready. I added some avocado oil to the skillet. That's about 1 tablespoon. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start the burgers.